Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I just got back from Alaska 2 days ago. We had a great time up there, 3 weeks, guiding for halibut, salmon, doing some river trips, all that stuff. Saw a bunch of great stuff, but I am really glad to be home. Haven't been home all that much since June 1st. So it is really nice to be able to work here in the garage, get everything dialed in. And as soon as we got home yesterday, or 2 days ago, we had this box sitting right here, and it was full of new Z-Man baits that were introduced at ICAST this year. And so I wanted to go ahead and start doing some videos on kind of walking through some of these products. And the first video I wanted to do is on this baby right here. This is the Chatterbait Elite EVO HD. And so the EVO line, which was introduced, I think, you can correct me if I'm wrong, the years are starting to kind of melt together, but I think it was introduced last year at ICAST, 2025, but it also might have been 2024. I can't quite remember. I think it was 2024, actually. It's been a couple years. So anyways, and it could even be earlier than that. But anyways, everybody really has learned to love the EVO line. It's very similar, has a lot of qualities that people loved about the Jackhammer line, which is still, top tier, right? But a lot of anglers are really starting to love the EVOs, even more so sometimes. Not that it's a competition between the two, but for years, the gold standard for tournament fishing was the Jackhammer, and the EVO has really caught up. They had introduced the original, Chatterbait Elite EVO, and then they also had the tungsten version that has since been discontinued because of tungsten prices. So if you didn't know that, make sure you stock up on those before they start hitting eBay and being, too outpriced, too overpriced. So much gouging in the fishing industry lately. But anyways, so since they got rid of the tungsten version, of course, they wanted to have another offering in the EVO line. And so they came out with the EVO HD. And the HD on this package, in the name, means heavy duty. So what they wanted to create was a chatterbait that could really stand up to the demands of anglers that are fishing it in really heavy vegetation, really heavy cover, and for really big fish. So they did a few things to this to really be able to tackle those type of scenarios, and using braid. I think that's kind of the biggest thing, and that goes hand in hand with heavy vegetation. Is if you're going to use braid, the lack of stretch with braid can really wreak havoc on most chatterbait hooks, and overall also the clips too. And so having a chatterbait that's specifically designed to be used with braid is something that I think a lot of people, including myself, have been asking for. So let's go ahead and start with it. Let's start with the hook, because I think this is a really important part of this. So they used a 5/0 exclusive heavy-duty hook for this. It is very thick. I mean, this is, I mean, you could flip. If you took this out of this chatterbait, you could punch mats with that hook. So it is a super duper heavy wire hook, very sharp. It's got kind of that signature, wide gap construction to it, that wide gap design. And then as you get down here, of course, you have this split, kind of hybrid hook keeper, orientation. You got a little bit of wire. You also have this kind of ribbed lead on the shank of the hook. So that has been a really popular bait keeper, trailer keeper on these baits. It works well with traditional plastics, and then of course Elastec. That's the whole point. So you got the wire as well as that molded on lead. That's the same as the other, EVO chatterbaits. And then another thing that's the same, the head's the same pretty much. You still are wire tied. There's like 20 different colors that the HD comes in. So you got plenty colors, everything from pink to whatever. It is in the lineup. You've got a SKU for that. and it comes in 3/8 ounce and 1/2 ounce. As far as everything else, I don't think that the blade has changed at all. I think that's pretty much the same. It feels about the same, but that clip that can be very problematic with traditional chatterbaits. I don't have another chatterbait right now. Oh yeah, I do, right here. So this is a jackhammer. So this clip, this teardrop clip that is on the jackhammer and a similar one that's on the EVO, the original EVO, that right there works great in all situations except for if you're fishing heavy braid. That clip can fail pretty easily. Not easily, but I mean, it can happen, and you never want those type of things to happen. That thing to open up and get, disfigured or anything like that. So what they did is they did a solid ring. Okay, so that it's the same shape, that kind of egg shape, teardrop shape, but it's fully enclosed. So there's no opening, there's no clip to fail with this chatterbait. So you can tie that directly to 65-pound braid if you want to. I think it's probably going to be more of a 40 or 50-pound braid type of scenario if you're fishing in really heavy cover, like, pitching it in a shallow, dense vegetation. I think it's probably going to be more 40 or 50-pound test, but this can handle it for sure, that clip and also that hook. So that is essentially the biggest differences with this bait. I'm really excited about it. I really think that there was a major need for a heavy-duty chatterbait that solved the issues of the hook straightening out and also the clip issues, where the clip will open up or just not be able to handle the force of fishing with braid in heavy vegetation. So as far as the trailers that I'm going to use with the HD, I haven't even fished this yet. This is the first time I've got some of these in my hands, but I know exactly how I'm going to fish it. I'm going to fish it just like any of the other chatterbaits that I fish, just in heavier cover situations with heavier tackle type scenarios. We're going to be going down to Florida for the championship on the Kissimmee chain. If I find a chatterbait bite, this is probably going to be a big one. If I'm fishing, in some of the Kissimmee grass or really dense hydrilla, this may get the nod overall. But I'm going to be using the diesel minnows a bunch with it, the 4-inch version. Also, the razor shads is still like one of my favorite. That's just my personal preference. I just love that razor shads, that original one. All of them work great. And I will use a little bit of the chatter shad and the chatter spike sometimes, but overall, I mean, it's just really up to your personal preference. You choose which trailers you want. This is going to work just like any other chatterbait. It's just going to do it better in heavy cover with heavy tackle. So anyways, guys, I'm going to put a link down below for the new EVO HD. So check that out. There's a bunch of different colors to look at. It's going to fit any type of scenario, any time of year. So check those out. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos I'm going to do on some of the other baits, like this one right here. We'll do a video on that. See you guys out on the water. Trust the process.